So you can't fall into this trap of believing that either the gang has taken over Aurora or there is no problem with a Venezuelan gang in town. Listen to what Aurora police have been saying now for about a month, that the gang does have a small toehold here and they're trying to keep them from gaining more of a presence. It was back in August when they first started talking about TDA in the city, and last month they said that they had identified 10 Tren de Aragua members in the city. Number does not include the 6 armed men who were seen in a now viral video at an apartment complex with weapons. That was at the Edge at Lowry Apartments on Dallas Street. Aurora police say they have identified all of the men in that video, only arrested 1. Both APD and ICE tell us they have not been able to confirm any gang affiliation for those men at this time. We do know that months before that video was taken, one of those men was inside the Larimer County Jail. ICE says that it told local authorities that it wanted to pick the guy up, but the agency says the jail did not give them a heads up when he was going to be released on bond. A state law is likely why. Our Kelly Rinke looks at that.
The video played over and over again on national news. Months before this group of armed men knocked on an apartment door in Aurora, one of them was in Larimer County Jail. Niefred Jose Serpa Acosta was arrested for felony theft. ICE says they sent the sheriff's office a detainer, essentially telling deputies they wanted to take him into federal immigration custody. According to ICE, no one gave them a heads up before he was released on bond. Now Serpa Acosta is facing charges in Aurora for burglary and menacing.
The challenge that we have, though, is when we get notified late in the evenings, in the middle of the night, or on the weekends, and we have very limited time to respond to those cases.
Kelly Walker is the acting field office director for ICE in Denver. She'd like jails in Colorado to give her at least 24 hours notice before someone bonds out, so agents can pick them up.
We cover 2 state jurisdictions, Colorado and Wyoming. So we don't have the capacity to run 24/7. Some places we get no notice, unfortunately. Some places we get 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours.
Local authorities may not be giving more notice because of a bill lawmakers passed in 2019. Holding someone after they're eligible for release is against state law. Colorado's Court of Appeals this summer agreed sheriffs can't keep someone in jail based on ICE documents that aren't signed by a judge.
That actually creates a constitutional issue that we had to address.
State Senator Julie Gonzalez sponsored that 2019 law. She noted these people are able to bond out because a judge decided their local charges allowed that.
Our jails shouldn't be incurring those uncompensated costs on ICE's behalf when they have more than adequate resources to be able to do their work on their own dime.
From local to federal, ICE Denver says they want as much heads up as possible before someone has the chance to commit another crime like what happened in Aurora. So ICE says 2 men Aurora police have identified as members of Tren de Aragua were released from Adams County Jail without notification. Adams County wouldn't confirm or deny this information from ICE. Investigators in Arapahoe County arrested one of those men again for burglary and assault charges.